Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to your website. First, ensure your PayPal business account is set up and verified. This allows you to accept payments securely. We'll cover the different ways to integrate, from simple buttons to more advanced API solutions. Understanding these options will help you choose the best fit for your site, whether you're selling one product or managing a full e-commerce store. For a quick setup, PayPal offers various payment buttons. You can create Buy Now, Add to Cart, or Donate buttons directly from your PayPal account. Simply customize the button's appearance and product details, then copy the generated HTML code. Paste this code into your website's pages where you want the button to appear. This standard integration is straightforward and perfect for small businesses or individual product sales. For greater control and a seamless user experience, consider PayPal's API integration. This method requires some technical knowledge or the help of a developer. Using APIs like Payment Standard or Checkout, you can fully customize the checkout flow, manage subscriptions, and process a wider range of transactions directly on your site. This offers maximum flexibility, allowing you to integrate PayPal's powerful features deeply into your platform. Before going live, thorough testing is crucial. Utilize PayPal's Sandbox environment, a testing platform that mimics real transactions without using actual money. Create test buyer and seller accounts to simulate purchases and ensure everything works as expected. Once you're confident, switch to live mode. Remember to regularly monitor your transactions and customer feedback to maintain a smooth and secure payment process for your users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.